Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you can share your tasks on ClickUp, for example, to invite team members from outside ClickUp to join you on tasks and your projects here on ClickUp. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. So head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with this workspace here. After that, head over to a space of your workspaces here, for example, by clicking on that icon at the bottom of that left panel and select one of your spaces, for example, a default team space. Let me go with that test space I created for demonstration purposes. And inside your test space, go through the overview or through to-do list with the associated tasks. So as you can see, I created a to-do list like that with 3 tasks, 1, 2, 3. And now I'd like to share task number 1, for example. So to do that, click on it. That is going to open up that customization window here. So you may customize and edit your task, add assignees to your task by clicking on assignees here, and simply add users from your team here on ClickUp or from ClickUp in general to add them as assignees here to your task. But if you'd like to invite someone from outside ClickUp, guys, and invite him or her to join you on your task, you may do that through a shareable link. To do that, click on share here in the top right. And after that, use that feature here, private link, to create, copy, and share that link. As you can see, it has been copied to my clipboard. So now I may share that link, for example, via direct messaging services, social media posts, and so on and so forth, and invite users from outside ClickUp to join me here on ClickUp to work on that task. You may also send an email invitation by simply entering the email address here and send an invitation email to the given user to join you on that task. And don't forget to click on invite here. You may also make that task private, for example, if you don't want, for example, to have that link shared publicly, but only selected invited persons. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. As you can see, very simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.